Hello dear engineers, welcome to WS7 and IT Technology YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be just learn about the Dubai G+1 and G+4 examination MCQs. We will discuss the MCQs about that test. So the first MCQs for this test, curing means shrinkage increase, shrinkage decrease, more water or creep. So the right answer is shrinkage decrease. We will cover our concrete to decrease our shrinkage. The second MCQs, density of water 1200, 566 at 8. The right answer is 1000 for the density of water. Admixture used in concrete, setting time, increased strength, compressive strength, all of above. So the right answer is all of above. Admixture we can use for setting time also, increase the strength also, and compressive strength also. Excavation degree is 40. For excavation we will use the 40 degree. Minimum bolt dia is 2.5D, 3.5, 4D and 2.6. So the right answer is 2.5D. Not bolt grade. There is not bolt grade. 4.8, 8.8, 10.4, 6.6, 4.5 is grade, 8.5 is also grade, 10.4 is also grade. So the right answer is 6.6. All pile test. Which one is all pile test? Static test, dynamic test, integrity test and sonic test. So the right answer is integrity test. Alt file test is integrity test. File near plot is less than 5 meter near water table. Sheet file, scant file, cover dam, solid file. So the right answer is scant file. We can use the scant file. Difference between scant file and continuous file. What is the difference between these two files? Continuous files are overlapped. Scant files are overlapped. None of these, all files are overlapped. The right answer is scant files are overlapped. When water increase, workability decrease. Workability increase, strength increase, none of these. When we add more water to our mix, so the workability increase, but the strength decrease. So this is the 10th MCQs for the test for the G+1 and G+4. For more videos, keep touch with us.